Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. This is Daniel, as you can tell by the username. Sorry, I'm weird. So today, I am here to talk to you guys about a foundation that I'm super excited about. Wait, you can probably already tell by the name of the video, so I'm gonna stop pretending that I'm gonna surprise you guys. I got a box from MARC JACOBS, and it is the new Shameless Foundation. MARC JACOBS. Their foundations I really like because they have a really good variety of colors for all skin tones. I love brands like that. I love supporting them. I love loving them, you know? That's what I love. So this is the Shameless. They sent me a cute little booklet. Introducing Shameless Youthful Look 24-Hour Foundation SPF 25. Your SPF is super important. It helps you from aging, from, you know, having any type of sunspots, wrinkles. I'm gonna read you guys a little bit about the foundation. It says self-setting finish, invisible SPF innovation. Have it all with Shameless, a medium buildable foundation with first ever flashback free SPF. And exceptional hydration. First ever flashback free SPF. Do you guys know what that means? You know how when you take a picture sometimes and like you get that white flash in your face? A lot of times it's because of the SPF in your foundation or your skincare. So this claims to be flashback free. We'll see about that. Inspired by MARC's very own shameless attitude and his tattoo that serves as a daily reminder to strive for self-acceptance. So basically this foundation is like love yourself. Like, love yourself and your flaws or whatever you have going on. Love yourself. So this seems to come in a bunch of different shades actually. Oh, there's like 28 colors. You know what? This is huge. I love when brands do this because people are like, oh, we have a full range of like colors for everyone, and then they have 10 foundations. I'm like, you're not gonna match the whole world with 10 foundations. It's just not ever gonna happen. It's 2018, get it together. So 28, now we're talking. Without further ado, let's test out this foundation and see if you should go buy it or not. So this is the Shameless Foundation. They sent me 3 colors. It's super cute. It's like a little tube, it's like plastic. This is medium 370 Shameless Youthful Look 24-Hour Foundation. Apply 15 minutes before sun exposure and reapply at least every 2 hours. This reminds me of like a skincare foundation almost. Like this is gonna protect your skin. Let's squeeze out a little. Clicks, which means you know it's not gonna leak all over the place. Okay, so this is the color 370. See what this does. Now, I don't have anything on my face right now. I just washed my face. I wanna test this foundation out with nothing. I wanna see what it does on its own and what it looks like. It's a very medium, like light to medium coverage. Remember that this said self-setting. So self-setting means that you don't have to apply powder on top because it sets itself. So it has a very comfortable matte finish. Now, this brush, I don't know if I like this. You know what it is also? I don't really use brushes like this for foundation anymore. I usually use like a kabuki brush or a beauty blender. Now this foundation is starting to set, meaning it's starting to like dry on my skin. Ooh, my eyebrows are crazy. I'm sorry. I tried to have cute eyebrows, but I have like 6 of them that are like, if you see those eyebrows, back up. Don't take screenshots, back up. I can see the foundation setting into my pores a little bit. It's looking very like dry. It says exceptional hydration. I don't see the exceptional hydration part of it. Let's try this with the Beauty Blender. Again, this is number medium 370. Beauty Blender. Don't fail me. I like to use a damp Beauty Blender because it makes everything glide on a lot smoother, like it blends it for you. And if you notice, I'm just like pressing it on, like beating myself up. Beat yourself up, Daniel. Daniel. Thank you guys for watching, by the way. And I love reading and like responding to your comments because you guys are hilarious. You guys are like, yes bitch, yes, slay. I got my very first bad comment the other day. She was very upset. And guess what I did? Didn't reply. I don't like to feed into negativity, and guess who I got that from? Oprah. Queen Oprah herself. She said I don't feed into negativity. So you know what? Daniel doesn't either. I like how it looks on my cheek. It looks super like smooth. This is not my color, by the way. But so I'm not looking at color, I'm looking more at like the actual foundation and like the texture of it. Got it? Get it? Good. As I tap it in with the Beauty Blender, it's starting to kind of smoothen out a little bit. I just feel like it's a lot of work and I can see a lot of texture on my nose. It looks kind of like dry a little bit. It looks dry a little bit. You know what I'm gonna do? Maybe the color was too light and I need to mix some of the darker one in. Not that that's my color, but if you mix, you never know what could happen. I mean, maybe it looks dry on my skin because it's not my color. How about that? How about that? So basically what I'm doing is warming the foundation up with the deeper color. This is the Tan R490. So it's looking better now that it's a little closer to my color. I'm a little too tan for that. You know why? I live in LA. So now that I warmed it up, it is looking a lot better, which makes me really happy. I really wanted to like this foundation, so now that I'm blending it and warming it, it's looking so much nicer. I can't believe in the beginning of this, I was like, this is the worst foundation ever. And then once I warmed it up, it was perfect. Lesson learned. Excited. Super excited. Hydration nose in my face. I mixed medium Y370 with Tan R490. I love this packaging so much. I love it. It's soft, it's plastic, it's not gonna break. You could drop it a million times. And it's cute and it's small. Look, just fits in your hand. Warming it up was the trick. You know what? It just wasn't my color. So that light color that I had on looked dry. Moral of the story is make sure you have your color match before you talk about a foundation. Duh. It's gonna matter. Yeah, like it's really nice. It's not shiny, but it still looks like skin. It doesn't look like dry, gross skin. I'm really, really impressed. So I feel like this is definitely worth checking out. Definitely worth checking out. But look at how nice my skin looks. And I feel like I barely put any on. It is shameless. Like you can, I feel like this is my skin but better. It just kind of like brightens up my skin, makes me look nice, hydrated. Like it's set, but it's not, it doesn't feel like, I don't feel like Krusty the Clown. This is a good summer foundation also because it's more on the matte side and it's light. So it's not heavy, it's not gonna slide all over the place. And it has SPF, so it protects your skin. Wow, wow, wow. I am excited. I even wore a pink shirt for you guys because I knew I was gonna be excited about this. So that is my review on this. Is this foundation worth it? Yes, it is. This foundation is $46. You get 1.08 fluid ounce of makeup. A little bit goes a long way, so I see this lasting you a couple months. I think that this foundation is meant to be more of a natural, shameless coverage, and it doesn't look like I have foundation on. People aren't gonna look at me and be like, whoa, look at all his makeup. They're gonna be like, wow, he's a model, he's stunning. Wow, that's a little snack right there. That's all I want in life, is to just be a little snack, you know? And stop eating them. It's worth a try. Definitely, if you're near Sephora, you could always get a sample. So go, have them shade match you. Try it out before you buy it, because they will give you some in a little vial. Don't be scared to ask. So that's that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a comment down below and like this video. And don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.